We will now be talking about Ventosa. This is more popularly known as the cupping technique. This was used by the ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Chinese for relief of fever, pain, and other medical conditions. The earliest technique done was with the use of horns from carabaos and other horned animals which had hollow interiors. This later evolved into bamboo cups, and now, modernly, we use specialized Ventosa glass cups.
Is it safe to have this therapy? Ventosa cupping therapy is generally safe, especially when done with a accredited health professional. So the normal reaction includes reddening of the skin, which signals that the blood circulation is drawn up from the surface, as well as a warm tingling sensation after the session. However, there are instances that the therapy is not recommended, especially when you have an open wound or inflamed skin, patients with convulsions, fever, and metastatic cancer, and as well as people who are recently menstruating and who are pregnant. Do not recommend to have this kind of therapy.
People often try this Ventosa massage because it helps with relieving pain, inflammation, or even stress. And you know what? It also restores your blood flow. It also promotes healing for a variety of health conditions such as pneumonia, bronchitis, or even colds.
These are the instruments used for Ventosa.
So the first thing that you should do in this therapy is using effleurage. It is a technique in massage in which long, light, or firm strokes are used, usually over the spine or the back. So what the therapist is doing is that the fingertip is used over a pattern and strokes on the back or an extremity.
After establishing the blood flow with the massage, what are placed on the patient's backs are tea lights. These will be the source of heat later for the Ventosa cups. Dry cupping involves heating the cups inside with flammable substance like alcohol. In this technique, a cotton ball, which was previously wet by alcohol, was placed on top of the tea lights, and then the specialized Ventosa cup is placed over it upside down on the skin. Herbal or medicated oils are sometimes applied to the skin prior to the procedure to easily glide the cups around the meridians and acupoints. As soon as the hot air pressure cools down, it constricts and pulls up the skin, creating a vacuum due to the lack of oxygen.
After 15 minutes, the Ventosa cups can be removed by gently pressing the skin and carefully lifting the cups. This is to avoid causing pain to the patient.
Finally, the therapist massages the patient's back for the last time to restore the patient's blood circulation. After this technique is done, the patient may experience itchiness at the cupping site. In some cases, patients who request for a more intense cupping are advised not to take a bath for 24 hours.